Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to various health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and autoimmune disorders. Fortunately, certain foods have been shown to help reduce inflammation and promote overall well-being. Here are 4 of the best anti-inflammatory foods. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fats help reduce the production of inflammatory compounds, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. Studies have shown that consuming omega-3 rich fish can help lower the risk of chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease and arthritis. How to include it? Aim to eat at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Grilled, baked, or pan-seared fish can be a delicious addition to your meals. 2. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. They contain powerful polyphenols and anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation by lowering oxidative stress and decreasing inflammatory markers in the body. How to include it? Add berries to your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a healthy snack throughout the day. 3. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and various phytonutrients. These vegetables have strong anti-inflammatory properties due to their high levels of antioxidants and polyphenols, which help combat inflammation and oxidative stress. How to include it? Incorporate leafy greens into salads, soups, or stir-fries, or blend them into green smoothies for an easy and nutritious boost. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice widely used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Its active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research suggests that curcumin can inhibit inflammatory pathways and reduce symptoms of inflammation-related conditions, including arthritis and metabolic syndrome. How to include it? Use turmeric in curries, soups, or golden milk. Pair it with black pepper to enhance its absorption and effectiveness. Incorporating these 4 powerful anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help manage inflammation and improve overall health. Combining them with other healthy lifestyle choices, such as regular exercise and stress management, will further support your body's natural defenses. Make these foods a regular part of your meals to enjoy their numerous health benefits.